Alright guys, it's a little bit windy today. This video has been a long time coming, and I want to give credit to the original guy who helped me spec this truck out of New Jersey. You know who you are, and you always wanted to see how this thing turned out. Unfortunately, he was not able to take it, but we sold this to a gentleman out of California. He's from Moldova, which is just on the other side of Ukraine. They are so close to what's going on in that region that he was just telling me when I picked him up from the airport that his mom can hear the bomb blast and the war happening over there. So a little bit of positive thoughts and prayers for these guys, but sorry that they have to go through all that right now. So I've been really excited to build one of these. This is a 567 with a 72-inch stand-up sleeper. So if you kind of want to see, take a little bit of a peek into the future, if and when the 389 goes away, and you want to see what a 72 stand-up looks like compared to like the 72 stand-up on a 389, I'll show you the inside of this. But what I really love about this truck, on the sleeper side, is it's very spacious, very spacious. And so anyways, this one's legendary red, of course. Just that absolute beautiful glow that it has. The legendary colors always look wet. This paint scheme is called vintage. That's taking a little bit of the Seminole lines off of there. And it looks fantastic. So again, sorry about the wind. Nothing too crazy on this truck. He just did a couple little things. So versus the old 72s, what you may notice is this one has 3 windows on it. So it's got a window on each side and the back. And I can do a slider on this one. So I can't wait to show you the inside of the sleeper. This is actually a 240 wheelbase, so when you looked at the side profile of the video, the truck actually is fairly symmetrical, but running this like at a 265 to 280 wheelbase looked really good. It's running 22 tall rubber. We threw a step box on for him. Extra wiring up there for any additional lights on both sides, chicken lights. Extra wiring for headache rack, it's over on the other side. Tanks are polished up nice. Did the 45 cut tips.